see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
No. Dito na pala siya, di ba nag-ano siya? Sabi ko sa'yo kahapon, may charter siya and
I'll put them in here tonight and I'll do it tomorrow.
tomorrow. Is that shark
Yeah.
or gummy? Gummy,
Sorry.
gummy, shark and gummy shark. What's this one? Nothing.
School shark and
Is it
gummy
what?
shark.
School shark.
Yeah.
School shark and gummy shark though, guys.
That one.
Oh, it's all clean.
Oh yeah, I've got to.
Now we have to fillet.
But I'll
Remove the
just
skin.
sit them in here tonight. Take the cool.
Yeah, it's cold. And what's this? Oh my god, snapper!
No, it's sold.
Huh?
It's sold.
What?
I've already sold that.
What? Sold to who?
Someone paid good money for it.
Yung
If you can
maha-
offer me anything better.
Tonight, massage. Ang mahal ng snapper. Oh, thank you, hon. Oh my God. Oh my God. 3. Ah, mahal lang sale nito. Kala ko nabili na talaga. Hindi sila pwede magbenta ng isda. Kaya nga, dapat
Look how
charter.
much for all these.
I know. You got a lot?
Yeah, because
Why?
we got 10 shark.
And you're not
10 shark and I didn't take one of that much. That what in that bag is like
short. How many shark you got?
10.
10.
Cup snapper and
Snappers, ang dami daw. Tapos yung iba nito, hindi naman namin ito mauubos kaya ipamimigay yan.
I hooked a big chain. Now I'm going to chain it. I hooked
No.
one
You did.
and
And,
the lure broke.
oh, maybe you got big one.
That was a big one,
Oh.
but the lure broke. Too much.
Namigay na pala siya, guys. 3 bag daw. Kasi ang dami.
So just let it sit in here tonight, set.
Oh, skipper. Oh, my snapper, hon. How many snappers you got?
Was there more? I thought there was one more.
Yeah, one more at the back.
Huh?
Yeah, that one. Oh my God. Oh my God, we got a lot. Tignan nyo yung kalamansi ko, guys. Ay, parang ang sarap iasal yung ano, yung snapper. Kung may tuna sanang nakuha, gusto kong, ano yun yung tuna? Gusto kong, ang tawag nun, asalin yung tuna. Look at my, anuhan, my kalamansi. It's all ripe. Ayun na yung fish natin. And sabi niya, yung ano daw sa kanya, yung nag-charter sa kanya, ano daw yun, naka-private jet. So, wala silang iuwing isda. Kasi, saan nila ilalagay? Kasi naka-jet sila. Ayan na yung ating snapper.
Oh, another one.
One. Dito na pala yung mga bata.
Oh,
Today's
another
Thursday. Yeah, that's it, Babak. You have train. You're gonna,
What else are we having?
we're gonna have chops today.
And,
Mashed potatoes.
don't,
Oh, what?
what are you making? Just that.
Yeah.
And then hot.
So, si Jan, after niya
He's right there.
oh, ayan na pala. Ma-sort out yung ano, yung mga huli niyang isda. Pumunta agad siya
Look.
sa farm para i-feed yung horse kasi maliligo yan. Ayan na siya. Maliligo siya. Then, pipick upin niya si Kuya sa training. See you, Han! What? Love you. Bye, bye. Hey, your t-shirt is in the drawer, honey. All the t-shirts. First drawer. You will see your trackers when you get in our wardrobe. You will see it right away. Inaayos ko rin kasi yung mga ano namin, mga damit. Nag-declutter ako ng mga damit namin. So, kaya tinatanong niya sa yung kanyang mga trackies kasi iniba ko na naman. Alright. Drop off ko lang tong dalawa. Then, pick upin ko sila after ni Zach. Kasi si Holly, matatapos siyang 5. Si Zach 6.
Hey, that
So-
bird has a fish.
Sabi ko kay Holly, sabay ko na lang sila pick upin ni Zach. para isang travel lang ako. Kasi
No, man.
pag drop off ko sa kanila, uwi ako kasi magluluto ako ng dinner. Alright.
Bye.
See you. I'll pick you at same as Sakura, okay? See you, Zach. Love you. Love you. Hindi pa namin nababa yung toilet paper. See you, love you. See you at 6, okay? Bye. Close the door properly, please. See you at 6. Okay, bye. Ako sa bahay and ito yung dinner namin. Meron tayong chops and loinies. Then magma-mashed potatoes and veggies kami. So yan yung dinner tonight. First time namin itong kakainin after na nagpakatay si Jan. Nagpakatay. Nung nakuha ba namin to, so ito yung first time namin siyang kakainin. Frozen pa ba? Kaninang umaga ko pa to nilabas. Okay na to. So, okay guys, lutuin ko na to kasi maya-maya alis na naman ako. And si Jan nakaalis na para naman dun kay Kuya. Nandun si Kuya sa Mount. Okay, lutuin na itong i-oven. Naglagay lang ako ng salt and pepper. And, ayan yung patatas. And yung naririnig yung air fryer, mayroon ako dun na salmon na binibacon. So, yan natin to sa oven. Gamit na yung oven. Preheat ko na to eh. Bilis ng oras. Alis na muna tayo kasi pipikapin ko yung mga bata. And eto, pag uwi ko na lang to ilalagay sa oven. Etong broccolini and yung mixed veg. And eto, going pa. Usok. Alright. See ya. Dito na pala ako guys. Hindi pa tapos si Sak. And si Holly, nakikita ko na andun si Holly. With her friends. Andun siya. Nagra-run pa si Sak. Ayun, number 12. Si Holly. Ayun si Holly. Ayun. Hi.
Hey.
Did Kuya Sak tell you to come here?
No, I just came here. I
Did
saw
you?
your car.
Yeah. Alright.
Did you just get here?
No. I saw you've been playing.
With you?
Mm-hmm.
I was just playing with Chelsea because I was bored.
Yeah. Are they eating here?
Yeah.
May dinner kasi
Haven't
ngayon
taken
sa food. Pero si John, busy.
Is
So
it
hindi sila
finished?
mag-dinner dito. What?
You're cooking?
Not yet. It's still in the oven.
Take that home?
No, not yet. Alright. Okay, let's go. And yung mga A-grade nagtitraining. Ayan na yung ating chops. Kararating lang din nila dyan. Ito, i-turn ko lang muna kasi hindi ko pa ito binaliktad eh. Ilagay ko yung ating mga gulay din. I-roast or bake. Si Kuya naliligo na. Okay, balik ko. Ito okay na to. Ito na lang. Luto na yan, pero gusto ko medyo crispy. And yung rice, para kay Kuya, hindi pa siya luto. Alam niyo naman si Kuya, rice is life. Naliligo pa naman sila. Si Jan kumuha ng drinks sa shed, kasi sa shed lang merong soft drinks. Malapit na kaming kumain. Naliligo lang si Sak, and isi-serve ko na yung kanilang dinner. And gumawa rin tayo ng gravy. So yan guys yung dinner namin. See you next time.
Thank you.
Si Kuya hinihintay pa yung rice. And si Kuya, ayaw niyo yung carrots and peas. Yeah, he's waiting for the rice. Okay, yan yung dinner guys.
Here we go.
Saki. What's that bad? Oh, boss.
Check Adam.
So good. Happy Friday. Ayan, niready ko na yung area ni Jan kung saan niya i-skinless yung mga nahuli niyang isda kahapon. And ayan yung trays. And yung freezer bags. Binubuka ko na para mas madali. Pumunta lang si Jan sa boat. I-check niyo lang kung nasara niya ng mabuti yung mga windows doon. So maya-maya balik na yun. And hinatid niya rin yung mga bata sa bus station. And eto yung dalawang knives na gagamitin niya. Sobrang talim nito. Sabi niya dyan, mag-ingat daw ako nito. Sabi ko, hindi naman ako gagamit niyan. Sabi niya, hindi, baka matouch ko daw. Ayan, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Sobrang talim daw niyan. Yung knives na yan, ginagamit lang yan pang fillet at pantanggal ng skin ng isda. Kasi yung dala ni Jen na isda, malinis na yun. Skin na lang talaga yung tatanggalin tsaka hiwain. Hindi yan ginagamit pag may mga buto-buto. Pang ano lang talaga, pang fillet yan. Smell like milky.
Huh?
It smell like milky. Yung skin yun very rough. Right, babe, the skin is a bit like rough.
Yeah.
Like sand.
Yeah.
Oh, yun, reject yan guys, hindi yan.
So I'll just.
Like a fish and chips, but yeah, like, yeah. Yeah, like that. Yeah,
Like that. That's a bit thick.
yeah, maybe a bit. Yeah. Oh, that's so thin. I think that one is alright. Tapos hati niya yan na. Hati niya pa yan sa dalawa. Pahaba.
Let that skin come off. Nearly.
Let's remove that bit. Cut it into two, please.
That's all right.
Cut it into two, honey. Ayan na yung skin. Yeah, like that. And then cut into two.
What, half?
Oh, no, it's alright, that
That's a
one.
nice bit.
Yeah, that's a nice bit, yeah. Yeah, and then another one. Oh, yeah. Ang gaspang ng skin na yan. Does anyone do something for the skin, hon?
No.
No, they just chop it.
That one didn't.
Ayun, tapos na ni Jan ikat yung gummy shark. Nandun naman siya sa labas para kumuha ng another bag. So yun, ibabag ko na yun kasi wala na siyang paglalagyan. And dun sa left side, yan yung mga skin. Ayan na siya.
There's 3 of these left.
What's that one?
Gary, we'll get big.
Is that gummy?
That's school.
Or schooling? Schooling shark.
Probably better get them done. So
Oh yeah, I am now, babe. It's freezing hard. So how many do you think? This is 6. More?
Let's put 8 in the bag.
Or 10, honey?
10 in the bag.
Yeah, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Oh, you got this into the one. It's alright. Yung malaki. Makapal. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, this is too much. marami siya tingnan kasi yung iba ganito kalalaki. Ito. Para tanta din. Mas mabigat yun. Ano bang nangingira? Nangingira ko sa skin pag nahahawakan. How much the fish and chips if you buy it in the shop bet? 1 piece.
$10.
$10? $10. Medyo makapal na konti dito. Like, a bit thicker, right? Oo. $10. Wow. Gusto rin kasi namin ang fish and chips. You know? Ayan, dami natin. So, yung nag-charter kayo dyan, ano lang talaga nila, hobby. Nag-catch, pero hindi sila nagdala. Kaya ang ending, kami ang maraming isda. Kasi yung aming kinakain, pag halimbawa, walang charter si Jan, kukuha siya para sa amin. Pero eto, yung nag-charter sa kanya, hindi sila nagdala. Kahit yung snapper. O, nasa akin yung snapper. Kaya may tatlo akong snapper doon. Ilan na ba ito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kasi nga, naka-jet sila. Wala silang wala silang SK. Are they still here or they're leaving today?
They're going to races today.
Races?
Yeah, the mount.
What? What kind of races?
Gallopers.
Huh?
The gallopers.
What's gallopers?
I went right on the back. They got that in the mount.
A horse?
Horse racing in the mount.
Horse race in the mount. Marami kasi iba-ibang tawag sa sa horse race dito. Sa kanya, trots. Ito nang galapo?
Yeah.
Parang galapo. Oh, so hindi talaga wala silang fridge or freezer na paglalagyan nito. Yeah, wala. Tapos binigyan din ni Jan yung yung tumulong sa kanya, yung parang hand deckhand. Binigyan, how many bags did you give to your deckhand? 3 bags. O, diba? Tapos binayaran pa ni Jan yun. O, may na siya, may sweldo na, may isda pa. Kasi minsan, yung ibang nag-charter kay Jan, like yung mga taga Melbourne, dinadala nila kasi may dala silang sasakyan at saka may dala silang malalaking SK talaga. Minsan nga, doon sila nagtulog sa shed, doon sa bay, before. Ngayon, hindi sila nag-charter eh. Usually, every year din sila pupunta dito. Tapos, binibigyan nila kami, like, especially alam nila na ako'y Filipina, binibigyan niya ako ng yung iba-ibang isda, hindi lang shark, kung anong mahuli nila. Tapos, pinakilala ko ni Jan nung 2 years ago. Tapos, lagi sila pupunta dito. Tapos, masaya naman silang kausap, madaldal. Tapos, last time, pinakyat ako dun sa parang pick-up car nila para ipakita sa akin yung mga nahuli nila. Kasi si Jan, hindi naman yan nagbi-video. Ang dami nilang nahuhuli. Oh, there's another bag. So, this is the second bag.
Get rid of all that and then
What's that one?
gummy.
That's gummy.
Yeah.
And this one, what's this?
School.
Is Schoolie Shark. Oh, diba?
So
Schoolie Shark, gummy shark. What's the difference, Bev?
put all this one for us.
For us? Why? Who's this one? That's for us.
But I'm giving a heap away, babe. We don't need this many, man.
I know, but what's the difference? Why this one?
This is gummy.
That's gummy. This is Schoolie. So, which one is the best?
This one's the best.
How about this one?
That one's the best too, but this one's the best.
Okay. So, this is Schoolie Shark. That one is Gummy Shark. So, ipamimigay pala namin to. Kasi nga ang dami. Who are you gonna give it to?
Everyone.
Who's everyone? If Joe wants it?
Joe, Jay,
Jay. Who's Jay? Your cousin?
Yeah. Yeah, we've got too much.
Yeah. I know we're not gonna finish this. Alam mo naman natin to mauubos. Oh. So, si Schooly Shark, di ba? Si Schooly Shark is mas, mas pinkish. And then si Gami is whiter. Ayan, di ba? Ayoko kasi hawakan. Ayan. Ito si Schooly and si Gami. Ayan yung difference nila. Whiter si Gami, si Schooly is pinkish. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 10. Ayan. 10. Okay, ilang bag tayo dito? Bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 70 pieces na ganong iba-ibang slice. This one, I'm gonna put it here. Itali ko muna ang mga to. Wait lang guys. Umalis si Jan kasi ipapalabas niya muna yung horses dun sa kanilang 2 more bags dun sa ano ba nila, dun sa parang bahay-bahay nila, sa kwadra nila, kasi tapos na yung kumain. So mamaya na lang ulit. Dito na si Jan. Another one. One more. What's that one? Is that the one I like? We like? The good one?
Ah, Schooly.
Oh, the Gami one pala. Schooly. Oh my God.
That's that big shark we got.
That one.
Ah, bloody hell.
Ano na siya? Pagod na siya. Was the horse eat all the food? Inaalis niya muna yung mga skin. Salita ko ng salita, hindi pala kayo nakaon. Binubuka ko lang muna yung mga bags para mas madali.
Is this the last time I can see you in a while?
Ito, 9 lang. Yung ito ang huling bag. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, not much bag.
Huh?
49 pieces. And then 4 bags of pens and then 1 bag of is this
Schooly.
Schooly. So this is Gami. So this one I will tie this now. Except this one. Kasi kulang pa yun. Kasi meron pa lang na isa. Ito sa amin to. And then bukas, may netball. Tapos ako, naka-assign ako sa canteen. Di ba nasabi ko sa inyo? Then, after netball ni Holly, i-ready ko na siya. Kasi display day bukas. So, may rehearsal muna sila ng 12 to 1 ata. Then, yeah, 12 to 1 rehearsal. Pero gusto ko na siyang i-ready sa makeup. Alas 2 kasi yung display. Iniisip ko, hindi ko kinakabahan ako. Kasi hindi ko alam kung magagawa ba natin. Kasi nga pupunta ako ng canteen. Magsiserve ako sa canteen. Matatapos ako siguro mga... What time do I have? What time?
9 o'clock, I think, to 10:15.
9 to 10:15?
Yeah.
So, 9 to 10:15 yung duty ko sa canteen. Tapos si Holly, 10 o'clock yung kanyang netball. Then, drive to the mount para sa kanyang rehearsal bago yung display. Tapos dapat naka-ready na, may makeup na, yung buhok. Ready na lahat. So ngayong gabi yun ang gagawin ko. Ipapa ko lahat ng mga gagamitin para wala akong maiwan. Yung bang iniisip ko, parang pagod na ako. Kinakabahan din ako kasi dapat magawa ko in that time yung mga dapat magawa. Buti na lang, hindi magtatan si Holly kasi required yung tanning and lashes. So, yung dalawa, hindi ko nagagawin. So, yung ibang moms, tinanan nila kasi may group chat nga kami. Nagtanong ko ano, kasi yung iba mga first time magtatan yung mga anak, nagtanong sila kung anong brand. So, sabi ko, I don't think so Holly need tan. Sabi niya, no, Holly is okay. She's lucky, sabi ng teacher. Tapos yung lashes, hindi ko na sinabi na pati yung lashes, hindi na rin kailangan ni Holly. So, pero hindi talaga ako nagla-lashes kay Holly kasi yung lashes ni Holly, sobrang haba na pag nilalagyan ng mascara. Mascara na lang si Holly. So, at least yung dalawang yun, hindi ko nagagawin. Kaso si Holly, hate na hate niya ang mascara. Yung makeup nila is, yung required is golden brown, ash, then, syempre, may blush on, red lipstick. So, yun yung, tapos, may hati sa gitna yung, niya, yung sa hair. Hati sa gitna, tapos very sleek. Bila ko ng spray na today. Tsaka yung, naubusan na kami nun eh. Kasi laging ginagamit ni Holly sa school din yung pang sleek niya. Ilagay ko dito yung gani. Para, isang bag lang. Parang ulit naman ito. And then, mamaya ipipick upin ko siya kasi meron siyang dance class. What we gonna have for dinner, hon? You want this?
Yeah, then what time we get now?
5:30. I-marinate ko na siya. I-brine ko na siya sa sa gatas. So, yung dinner namin is, what do you think? Do you want this for dinner?
Okay.
I'll be home at 5:30. So, i-brine ko na siya sa gatas.
Ow.
Oy! Sus, ingat ka dapat yun kasi sobrang talim niya. Ilang beses niya pa shinarp. Shinarp niya yung kagabi pa, tapos sinasharp niya din. Oh, you don't want this, ha? For to give. Maybe they want it. Yeah. Kasi yung dito sa may palikpik or yung wings, chinak niya na doon kung nasan yung skin. Ang kapal pa naman ng tingnan niyo. Ayan. Sabi ko, di ba mamimigay ka naman? Sabi ko, isabay mo na lang kasi baka gusto nila. Ako kasi ayaw ko yan. Ayaw ko yung part na yan. Kasi nagka-curl siya. Tapos, makapal naman yung meat. Yung doon lang na part. Yan. Check it out, huh? 1, 2, 3. Ayan yung flap. Akala ko wings. Hindi pala wings, guys. Flap. Ayan, tatanggalin niya yung flap. Kasi hindi ko naman yan. Yan yung pag niluluto ko to, yan yung iniiwasang part na di kakainin. Binibigay ko yan sa kanila. Ayan yung isa, sabi niya, okay lang daw, wag na. Kasi pagod na siya. Dami kasi, ang dami talaga. As in, sobrang dami nito. Usually, we only have like, every time we go fishing, we only have like 2 or 3. Ito na yung last. Ayan. And akala niya, dalawa yung nakuha niyang gami. Isa lang pala kasi, di ba nagbigay siya din dun sa deckhand niya. So, naibigay niya ata dun yung isa. Oh, tagal din natin dito. Oh my God, how many hours? 8, 9, 10. Like, 8:30. 9, 9, 10, 11. 2 hours, guys. Oh. Wash the please. Alright, ito na lang yung babalutin. And we're done.
Why? Is it the truth that you'll be living tonight? We should take a walk, then a swim in the sea. That will mean everything, yeah, everything to me. Can we get out of this one? Waiting and missing. I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out of this.
Dito yung isang part ng nabalot and dito naman yung iba. Kung sa atin to, pwede natin itong ibenta sa kapitbahay.
Where's the advert?
So yun nga, di ba? Pwede natin itong ibenta. Dito hindi pwede magbenta ng isda. Pag marami kang nahuli, ipamimigay mo lang yan. Dati maraming Pilipina na kasi yung ibang Pilipina kasi naglipat na sila. Pag nagtutuna si Jan, di ba tinatanggalan ng buto ni Jan kasi pinifilay niya. Tinatawagan ko sila or sila tatawag sa akin kung may huli na. Kasi alam naman nila yung season ng tuna. So magtatanong sila kung may mga buto. Kasi yung mga nagtutuna dito, tinatanggal nila yung ulo, yung panga, tinatapon nila yan sa basurahan. Kinukuha lang talaga nila yung laman, yung meat lang talaga. Diba? Itong nakakonti naman dito. Dito nila puput. Hindi, okay lang. Yun. Ngayon, walang tuna. Before umalis din si Jan para kumuha ng tuna, kung maalala nyo, hindi siya nakakuha. So, pagbibigyan nito si Joe, si Dimi, yung kaibigan ni Dad. Then, si BJ, yung pamangkin niya. Tapos yung tatay noon. Tapos, ewan ko sino pa. Kasi nabanit ko. Ang bigat din siya, ha? Pwede na ako, pwede na ako dito magtindang isda. Bawal nga lang. Hindi, pinamimigay lang ito. Minsan si Jan pa dati, noon, yung maraming nahuhuli si Jan na tuna, dinideliver pa namin sa mga Pilipina. As in, buo, sila na maglinis. Yung akin kasi, si Jan, kinukuha niya lang talaga laman. Minsan, yung ulo kasi ayaw niya kasi nakakatakot ikat. Ayaw niya daw maputol ang niya. Dahil lang doon sa tuna. So, apos ako takot din kasi kung masugatan siya, kasalanan ko. So, wala na lang. Okay. Wow. Ilan to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So, yan yung ipamimigay. Tapos si Jan sabi, kunti lang daw itira ko. Sabi ko, gustong-gusto namang anak mong fish and chips. Sabi niya, pwede naman ako maghuli. Sabi ko, maghuli ka pa, meron na dito. Ayaw niya kasing na-stock to sa freezer ng matagal. Pero okay lang naman kasi yung freezer namin pang commercial. Ito, sa amin ito. Kasi isang ganito, isang luto, di ba? Kasi hindi naman tigi-isa. Pinagkukuha pa dito si Jan sa mga sinet aside ko kasi nadadamihan siya. Kaya sabi ko, yung mga anak mo, gusto nila yung fish and chips. So, nagti-take away kami, si Sak nakakadalaw, si Kuya, Malaki na kasi siya. Isa lang naman. Pero $10 yun. Siguro magbawas. Sige, bawasan na lang natin. Pero yung isa, yung gami, hindi yan ipamimigay. Kasi isa lang yun eh. Ito kasi si school bukol. Madami. Ito nga, meron pa. And gagawa ko na yung sa Bicol, kinunot. Sabi ko to. Yung ginagawa sa Bicol na kinunot, ano ba yon? Pating din, di ba? Ang tawag sa amin, pating. Gusto niya ilang bags lang daw i-keep ko. Kasi pwede naman siya maghuli. Kung mahal ng gas, maghuhuli ka pa. Tapos, hindi kaya madali manghuli. Ilang oras ka maghihintay bago ka makahuli nito. Siya nga, anong oras na siya umuwi kahapon bago makauwi ang mga bata galing school. So, umalis siya mga 7, 6, ata 6. Tapos, nakauwi siya mga ano na. Yun nga, before uwi ng mga bata. So, eto yung gami. So, hindi ko siya isasabay dyan. Separate siya para alam namin kung alin yung gami at saka si school bukol. Schoolie. Ayan, schoolie. Kunti lang yung si schoolie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. O, 14. O, tama. 14 siya. Siguro 10. Bala siya. Kung anong gusto niyang gawin. Kung ilan itira niya dito. Ang dami nito. Bili na kayo, guys. Ano na lang. 300. Na-fillet na po siya. Wala nang buto. Wala na kayong iisipin. Lulutuin nyo na lang talaga siya. Kasi malinis na yan. Okay. Yun na, guys. Alas 11:15 na. Magliligo na ako kasi maya-maya aalis na naman. Magmamarinate, mag-brine ako sa gatas. Kasi ito yung ulamin namin. Hindi ko alam kung gusto niya. Si school or si gami. Tapos nalinis na yung sink. Okay, guys. Bye. Tawagan ko kung anong gusto niyang kainin tonight. What fish do you wanna eat tonight? No, I'm cold on because I'm freezing here. What do you want? The school bukol or the gummy one? The schoolie? Yeah. The schoolie na lang ha because we have a lot of schoolie. Anything, alright. Bye. Oh, sorry. Dapat daw lumabas na lang ako kaysa tinawagan ko siya. So, ito. Ayan, ayan.
Get fish and chips.
Fish
No,
and chips,
chips.
yeah. But you have to order the.
That,
We
that
can.
should be open, the fish shop tonight.
Yeah, but I will be home 5:30.
Yeah, it'll still be open bloody till 7:30
Ah.
or something.
Alright. So this is all for to give away.
Just that?
Yeah.
Where's all the others?
That's it. Wow. That's what I'm saying. You don't have to give it all. This is us. It's only 12 bags.
Yeah, but there's like 10 in each, that's 120 fillets.
Yeah, this is 10 each.
We've
This
got
is
too much, babe. We've got too much, I'm telling you. We've got plenty, we don't eat it all the time, and then there's still enough when we do eat it. There's still plenty. We can get fresh shit. Why do we go to freeze it? Then we end up throwing it. So just put it in there, we'll be right. Right, where's...
Pamimigay niya talaga. Ayun niya kasi gusto niya fresh. Pwede naman daw siya kumuha. Well, just put this in the freezer. If someone wants, you can get it from the
Yeah,
freezer.
that's
But
right.
this one, you can give it,
Yeah,
it
I've got
now.
Joe and
Yeah, but this one,
I'll give...
this don't touch this one. That's all for them. And if someone wants that you want to give, you can grab some from us. Gusto niya itong ipamigay. Halos gusto niya ipamigay lahat. Kunti lang sa amin. Sabi ko, bakit? Sinabi mo siya kanina, hindi ko na lang pinil. Sabi ko, kung alam ko na ipamimigay mo to, halos kasi ipamimigay niya. Di sana binigay mo, yung may skin, sila na yung nag-alis ng skin, nagpagod ka pa. Dinamay niya pa ako, sana nag-edit na lang ako. Tapos sabi niya, alam mo ba kung gaano sila ka-appreciate pag binigyan mo? Sabi ko, oh, syempre, kasi malinis na, lulutuin na lang. sabi niya, okay lang yan, babe. Sabi ko, ako gusto ko mag-edit. O sana o kaya tinapos ko yung gawain ko doon sa bedroom.
Give that to Jay and that to Jimmy.
Which one is for Joe?
Jay.
J. And then which
Then
one
you
is...
got Joe.
And...
Righto.
Okay. This one, the
Where you gonna put that?
the gummy, put it in here. I'll put that one here, the gummy one. And this one is in the freezer.
Put it in the lake one.
Yeah, the other side.
No, the little one.
Huh?
That's just crayfish,
the little one.
lamb and shark.
Oh, okay.
So right, grab a handful.
I'll get a bag. I have a bag.
You got a plastic bag?
No, plastic bag.
Why?
Because they only have paper bags. Wala na yung Coles. Mayroon pa. Wala na paper bags na. Wala nang Coles bag. Ay, sana talaga natapos ko yung ano. Yung bedroom ba, yung mga damit, dinideclutter ko doon. Ito doon, sa freezer niya. Ay, wala, ang bigat. Mayroon mo yan. Coles nga. Coles paper bag na. Which one is for, BJ?
Oh,
Is BJ gonna cook?
yeah, I'll cook it. 1, 2, 3.
Uy, babe! This is for Joe, honey. This is for the good one.
That's
Joe! How about Joe?
Yeah, there's plenty of good ones in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Two. 6 for who?
That's 4 for Jane,
2 for Dimi.
Jimmy, then Joe's.
Joe's this Joe. This one. How many you have? How many bags you gonna give to Joe?
Oh, that'll do. Yeah,
3.
nice.
And this is BJ.
You don't know all that.
Who? See? You don't have enough people to give.
Yeah, I've got plenty of people.
Alright. Okay, guys. Bago pa kami dito maging asset po sa... Ito kila mama to, doon to sa Fatima, then ito sa Tagas.
Time, some